What is that?
Chicken.
Orange chicken. So, ito siya guys. Oh. Is it good? Why are you looking like that?
Because I wanted to.
Okay. Go eat. Tapos, nagluto ako ng corn, guys. At itlog para sa akin. Ayoko sa itlog ko, guys, yung basa. Gusto ko yung hindi siya yung tipong yung yellow niya ay basa pa. Gusto ko yung medyo dry. Yan, gusto ko yung ganito na luto. Yung, ito naman ayaw ko yung basa. Talaga siya. So, balik tayo ulit natin. So, yan. Tapos, okay na to. Kasi magluluto ako ng tawag dito. Ito, okay na ba to? Hindi pa. Medyo basa pa. Magluluto ako guys ng Argentina corned beef. Ayan. Ang tingnan nyo yung tulog. Mantika. Sobrang dami ng mantika. Sa beef. So, yan ang aking kakainin sa almusal. Itlog tsaka corned beef guys. So, okay na po siya. So, yun guys, sibuyas tsaka bawang. Maraming sibuyas at maraming bawang para masarap ang ating corned beef. Ilagay na natin yung corned beef. Simot. Sayang, may kunti pa. Mahal pa naman itong ano guys, corned beef. Hindi ko alam bakit ano, yung corned beef na Argentina dito is hindi masyadong pula. Ito, oh, hindi pula. Lagyan natin ng light. Yan. Hindi siya masyadong pula. Siguro sa mantika. Itulog kasi sa mantika ito guys. So yan. Hintayin natin maluto. So ayan guys. Oh. Aluto na to siya. Kaya lang gusto ko yung ano, yung talagang tostado. Ayoko yung basa. Yung matitira lang is yung mantika at saka itong ano, corned beef. Gusto ko yung tostado yung corned beef. Para mas malinamnam guys ang lasa. Kape yan. Gumawa ako ng kape guys. Ito yung kape ko, Great Taste. Kasi ito siya guys ay hindi matapang. Kasi yung Nescafe ay nagpapalpitit ako nung kaya. Ito yung Great Taste yung akin. Don't do that.
Cut it, Mom.
You want me to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Naka-anim na to siya na ano. Hiwa ng...
So spicy! So spicy!
I mean, naka-anim na piraso na to siya guys na
Mommy, so spicy!
spicy. Drink water. Orange chicken. Fave niya yan.
Favorite.
Yeah. Your favorite is the orange chicken? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job. So, ito yung magiging hitsura niya, guys. Mantika na lang ang natira. Yan. Yan yung gusto kong mangyari sa corned beef. Yan. Yung tostado siya at mantika na lang ang natitira. So, kainan na, guys. Meron akong itlog. Meron akong bahaw dito na galing sa ref. Ininit ko lang siya. Ito yung ating kakainin.
Hitting me.
What are you talking about?
The guy keeps hitting me. He do like this.
Tapos, ang ating
He did
corned
like
beef.
that. He
Yan.
did like that, Mom.
Kain muna ako, guys.
He did like
At meron akong coffee.
Mom, he did like that. He did,
Don't do that to your iPad, though.
Mom, he did like that.
What?
He did like this, Mom.
Okay.
He went like that.
That's fine, that's fine. So, kain muna kami, guys. Ako pala, kakain na muna ako. Mamaya ulit, guys. Naglinis ng window si asawa.
What now?
Nothing.
What did you say about this? What did you say?
I'm just...
Oh, got it. All right, looks good.
Mine's...
Get all the inside, and then I'll do the outside after we wash it.
Okay. Oh, Sawyer.
Oh, we can't go.
Naglalaro ka naman eh. Out! Mommy gonna clean the window. Close it! No, close! Close!
This is the clothes.
Very good. Close it. So, lilinisin ko tong window, guys. Ng aking car. Kasi, si asawa ay tapos na yung sa front. Kasi, sabi niya, para daw, clear sa gabi. Blur daw, sabi niya. Kaya, sabi niya, lilinisin ko daw. Pagdating sa car, guys, kasi asawa ko ay maingat. Ayan niya yung sasakyan ko na madumi. Kaya nilinis namin. Dapat siya maglinis nito, kaya lang hindi siya magkasya dito sa likod. Ayan. Agoy. Ano pala to? Ito yung kamay ni Sawyer. Okay, I'm done in here. I'm done in here. What's next?
I didn't do the vacuum. You want to vacuum everything?
Vacuum na naman. Get this one,
I
do.
need these mats. These are still any good or no?
No.
Okay.
Here. Vacuum na naman daw. Pwede naman sa car wash. Walang kasabing vacuum dito, guys. Yan.
Gotta get the mat with you there.
You wanna get this? You wanna get this mat?
The mat's out. Clean them. We'll clean the inside. Now we're just going to the car wash and clean the outside because the inside's going to be done. I'm going to soak these up.
Malinis talaga sa car ng asawa ko, guys. Kulang yung hindi.
Third row. but
Oh.
I gotta throw this wiper stuff away and put it in the garbage can. So with this gone right there.
Dad, there's no wood. Dad,
Mm-hmm.
there's no wood.
No more what?
There's no wood.
Okay, move.
Ito yung, ano guys, oh. Candy. Mga basura. Ito pa. Ang daming mga basura ng mga bata. Nilalagay dito yan. Oh. Ito yung vacuum namin. Ha?
The vacuum. You like the smell of this, Myers? I use it in my car.
Yeah.
So after you vacuum, spray the carpet just for freshness.
Is that one?
Yeah, that's what I do in mine.
Okay.
It's all organic. There's no chemicals or anything in it.
Okay.
You just spray the carpets and stuff.
Okay. Saan? Be. I bet you get it. You're crazy. So, ayan guys, tapos na. Malinis na yung car ko.
Cherry doesn't have this number anymore.
Malinis na.
Yeah, I've had it for about 16 months, so I get about 20 calls a day for her.
Malinis na.
Appreciate it. Thanks, bye.
Okay, go.